have my new video, and it's gonna come when I don't know.
That's all being torqued. Okay, now we're gonna install the wheel. I'm just going to get the wheel close.
Just rolling until it gets there. Of course, you need to remove your tools.
Oh yeah.
Because they might.
Obviously, you're gonna have to remove these support stand. Because you're gonna have a hard time taking that off later.
Yep.
So that's gone.
Just like before.
Yeah.
Because my dad had a hard time. And then after that, we're gonna screw it back, and all will be done. Right?
There we go. Yeah. That's seated in properly. So now, same thing. I'm gonna do these by hand, so you don't over torque it. I mean, don't cross thread it. It's a quick tip, always start on top. Tighten it by hand and do it crisscross as always. Star pattern. There we go. 2. Next will be this. 3. 4.
And
5. Now we're gonna torque it to, we're gonna start with 100 Newton meter. So I'm gonna put it set 1. Start here. 1. Crisscross, I mean star pattern again. 2. 3. 4. 5. So now I'm gonna torque it furthermore. Start here again. 1. 2.
it's kind of noisy.
Yep. 3.
And it might wake up everyone resting.
4. 5. Right, so that's torqued properly. And now
That's one heavy gun, guys. One heavy
use
gun.
torque wrench to set that torque to the specified. I'm gonna start here again. You might want to go further, Cedric, so I might hit you with this.
Oh,
What did I say?
sorry, guys.
Break first.
Yeah, we're gonna have a break.
So we're gonna move the jack stand, scissor jack lift on the other side. This is done for now. And that's it for now. I'm gonna have a little break. Alright. Now we're gonna do the front tire. Like what I said, before you jack it up in the air, you have to loosen it up. That's 1. 2. 3. 4.
Hey, what are you doing?
5.
Hey.
Alright, pause.